Welcome to the Sand and Track channel with a series on four-wheel drive systems where I explain how they work on different cars. Today's car is the Nissan Pathfinder R52. Two-wheel drive, or in other words, 2H. This is where the power goes exclusively to the two rear tires on the car. This is for everyday, normal driving. Auto mode. This is where the car switches between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive depending on the road condition. Lock mode. This is where you lock the 4x4 system into four-wheel drive or 4H, which means it does not switch between 2H and 4H. This is for serious off-road driving, where the car will always stay in four-wheel drive, whether you're on the sand, snow, rock driving, etc. Keeps the car locked and ready for the off-road terrain. Tow mode, which modifies the way the transmission behaves. It reduces the gears so that it stays in lower gears so that you're able to tow heavy items behind the car. Hill descent control applies brakes automatically on the car when you're going down steep hills. This ensures that you're not using your brakes excessively and prevents overspeeding when going down hills. It's automatic braking. Traction control, why do you need to disable it? It's because when you drive off-road, you do not want the car to think that the wheels are spinning, and you do not want it to cut the power to your wheels. I really hope you found this video useful. Choosing the right 4x4 setting makes a huge difference in off-road driving. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more off-road explanations and leave any comments below. Thank you.